Hi everyone, my name's Ann Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by me, Ann Marie Vaux, and it's cup number cup 663616_10. It's called Red Butterfly Special Day 2. And it's a gatefold mini kit. Now you get 5 sheets in the kit and full instructions. It makes an 8 by 8 inch square card, and I would like to show you what's included in the kit before we go on to make it. So 5 sheets, and the first sheet is actually the inside of the gatefold, and then 2 butterflies for decoupage for the front of the card. The next sheet is actually the back of the card, so this goes behind the actual sentiment to cover up the joins along the edge. We've got then 2 sheets that look very similar, the right and left panels. There's a tab on the side and there's the instructions of where to score, and then the guideline to cut out. And as I said, there's 2. There's one for the left, one for the right. Then we've got the inside panels that go inside for when you open the gatefold to cover up any white bits. And then we've got an extra butterfly. And then full step-by-step instructions. The written instructions, but I think you'll find it's quite straightforward. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I've cut out the 2 side panels with the butterflies on. So I've scored them, and then I've added double-sided tape on the back of the flap. So they're both the same with tape on the back. I've then cut out the 2 panels that are going to go on the inside. So I'm going to use these first, and these just tie the design together, I feel, and it's just a little bit extra. So we're just going to cover over inside. There we go. Gives a nice little white edge. And we're going to do the same at the other side as well. So we'll just peel off the back of the tape and then add that one inside as well. Oops, caught it before it was the time, so it's going to go a bit wonky. So those are our 2 inside panels. So I'm going to put those to one side now, and I'm just going to take the inside of the card, and then one of the 2 panels that we've just covered, I'm simply going to position the corner tab to one side like that, and then when I'm happy it all sits in the right place, shall we say, there we go, I'm just going to simply fold it over and then pull the little tab of adhesive that I've just made and pull the whole section off like that. I'm then going to take the second one. I'm showing you from the front because I think that's easier. I'm positioning it onto the side, and then for this one we'll do it this way around. So that's in the right position. We've got our adhesive on the back. I'll just pull a slight section away, turn that over, and when I'm happy with that is in position, I'll pull the rest of the adhesive and press it down. Then we're going to just check we're the right way around, and we've got our writing and sentiment facing the right way. And we're going to take the back of the card, again, just flat tape on the back, double-sided tape, peel that away, and then I can position the back over, securing those two flaps and hiding them like so. And then we can turn the card back to the front so we can see how we've got the flaps there. Where we've scored along the score lines, we can take our bone folder and make those two butterfly flaps a little sharper with the crease. And then we take the decoupage butterfly sections. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to add them to the right side of the butterfly, and then the right side for that little butterfly as well, for that half. And there we go. That is our gatefold card. And I think it's a great design, and it's very easy when you see it all put together. It might be a bit daunting when you first look at the kit, and it's just something a little bit different. I hope you like this one because I think it's really pretty. And it's a gorgeous sentiment on this one. Lots of love coming your way to help you celebrate on your special day. So it could be birthday, anniversary, wedding, you name it. And I would like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 663-616_10 by myself. So you can see any of my designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for Ann Marie Vaux. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.